DS-402A hydraulic heel nailing machine. This machine is applicable for the heel nailing of all kinds of man and lady shoes. Using high-pressure hydraulic system, the heel will be mounted more securely. Various kinds of nail anvils can be selected. It has simple design with easy adjustment and replacement. It is equipped with several heel pressing fixtures to mount different kinds of heels of any height. There are fixed or swing heel pressing fixtures available for attaching heels to shoes and high boots.